Deng, kaysa kog towel to trapo sipot sa isay be. Hello, sweet.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, by the way. Brother say good evening. Is that afternoon? Good evening, sweet. How are you today?
I'm fine.
That sounds good. You are fine. Are you done eating dinner?
No.
Oh, why? It's late.
My mom is cooking.
Oh, your mom is cooking. Okay, so after this, you're going to eat.
What?
So after this class, you're going to eat dinner?
Yes.
Wow, okay, that sounds good. Now, at this moment, sweet, so we are going to continue the lesson that we didn't finish yesterday, Friday, about the writing, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we just started only these questions. So, which, no, this is our lesson that we did. Oh no, this is not. This is not right.
What?
This is our lesson what we did. Wait, sweet.
Um,
This is not. It is 5E here. Okay, just wait because I think I opened the wrong. I opened the wrong. Oh, we are done here. Wait, wait, wait. I opened the wrong files with 5F for here. Ah, this is it. I found it, sweet. Okay, can you see the screen?
yeah.
Okay, so we're going to continue these lessons with about the friendship, but in writing an essay. So we already done this. Who are the people you are the closest to? Let's have a review. What is your answer here? Who
Yeah.
is who are the friends that you are closest to?
Um, yes.
Your
My
answer
friends.
yesterday, your friends?
Yeah.
Okay. You closest to your friends. And what qualities do you look for a friend?
Um, friends. Now she have kindness and friendly or have other people and be understanding when I meet bad problems.
Mm-hmm. Kid that who understand you with your problems. Very good. That is a nice answer about what you're going to look for a quality of your in friends. Okay, now we're gonna learn this one, sweet. Learn these do and did for emphasis. Okay. So we have here, we can use do and did to make statement and stronger to show a contrast. We stress and we do and did when they are used in this way. So we have example here. Please read the example.
Oh, you do like arguing from you. We did enjoy the ballet.
Okay, next. Number two, we can use do and did imperatives to make them more empathetic. We have example.
To be careful with that space.
Okay, and how about number three? We can use do and did to show a contrast.
He's sometimes a bit rude, but I do like him.
Okay, and then we can use do and did to clarify the correct. And then the example is
Why didn't you do your homework? I did do my homework, but I have lost it.
very good, but you close it. Okay, excuse me for a while. Hmm. Okay, so you are done writing this, right?
Yeah.
So no need to write, and we will proceed to the next slide of our lesson. Okay, here. Now let's learn about this one, the structures and features in use and essay. So when we say structures, just like the form, the structures like that you're going to make a sentence. But when we say the features, when we say features, the inside of the sentence, or what is that meaning to use an essay. Number one, join clauses with linkers to make longer, more complex sentence. So we have example. I like him, but he can be a bit mean. I like him, although he can be a bit mean. So the linker linker words here is but and then complex like mean or a bit or can or although. Okay? So it says here, number one, join clauses with linkers to make longer and then more complex sentence. Number two, possessive structures. In the possessive structures, they can be create a sense of objectivity and authority. So the object of the sentence. Example, people often say that, or is it often say that. So this is the authority and objectivity. Okay, the people say that. So what is the people going to say that? And then the authority like it is often said that. And then number three is preparatory it. We can use it in a clef sentence to emphasize a particular part of a sentence. Example, honesty is important. It is honesty that is important. So there is it in a clip sentence here. It is honesty that is important. So that is we call preparatory. So instead you're going to say honesty is very important, but in essay, you're going to add it to prepare how to make an essay. Okay? Again, number one, join clauses with linkers to make longer. So the linkers, we have but, and then for more complex sentences. Example, please read example.
I like him, but he can't be a bit mean. I like him, although he can be a bit mean.
Okay, next, number two, possessive structures. This can create a sense of objectivity and authority. Okay, we have example.
People often say that. It is often say that.
Okay, it is open
But
often say that. Okay, and then the preparatory you're going to use.
it
Very good. We can use it if a clef sentence emphasizes a particular part of the sentence. Example.
honesty is important. It is honesty that is important.
Okay, very good. So do you have any question about the structures and features to use an essay with?
No,
Okay, so do you want to write?
no.
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to write this. Mhm. Okay. Sit na, sit na. Tulog. Wah. Anak, higa, higa.
Alright.
Okay, thank you so much. You are done.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to proceed here to the next part, which is the writing strategy. When you are going to write an opinion essay, you're going to put first is opinion. Tell your readers how you feel about something. And then next is the reason. Tell your readers why you feel that way. And then the example. Give your readers 1 to 3 examples of why you feel that way. And the conclusion, sum of your opinion. Use a variety of grammatical structures and vocabulary instead of simple struct sentences. This will make your essay more interesting and more effective. Okay, so these are the strategy if you're going to write an essay suite. Okay, we have the example here. First is don't forget your opinion. So in the opinion, you're going to tell your readers how you feel about something. And then first is the very important. One of the important is the reason, and then the other important is conclusion. Okay, so do you want to write this one so that you have a guide?
Mm.
Okay, just write. You can write only this one. The opinion essay, opinion, reason, examples, conclusion. Only that.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, because this one it's so very important when you're going to write an essay. So we need the strategy. So this is one of the very important. Dali, dali. Dali, dali. Tutoy ka? Dali lang, dali. Mana? Tutoy. Okay. So this is how you gonna. Okay, wait. Sweet. So you know how to write in this in the screen. Use the annotate and text.
Yeah.
Okay. So tonight, sweet, you're going to write your answers only in the screen. Okay? Because you're going to write, and I need to check if you're going to write about this opinion, reason, examples, and conclusion. Okay? Okay, now in this part, sweet, you're going to read a test in the essay in which paragraph does to cover each elements of the task. So, if sometimes claim that opposite attract when it comes to friendship, write an essay in which you give your own opinion of this view, taking into consideration personality and appearance. Okay, I'm gonna read it first so that you know how to read correctly. Okay. It is sometimes claimed that opposites attract when it comes to friendship on the whole, and I don't agree with that opinion. Wait, wait. With that opinion, I think that people pick friends with the same interests as them, that extend to physical appearance. If you have similar tastes, you're likely to appreciate similar clothes and hairstyle. Personally, I think that you are most likely to be long-term friends with someone who is on the same wavelength as you. I think opposites do attract, but I don't think it lasts at those different qualities. Qualities attracted you at the first can annoy you later. My closest friends, Helen, is quite similar to me. Having said that, we do not have everything in common. In fact, the differences keep our friendship interesting. However, our broad interests and personality do resemble each other. And so it is easy to spend a lot of time together. It is the detail that we differ. For example, we both love sport, but we don't support the same teams. And although we're both sociable, Helen is more outgoing than me. When it comes to appearance, a similar appearance can lead to attraction. Helen and I both have similar tastes in clothes. We enjoy shopping together and swapping clothes. If we had different interests, we wouldn't be able to enjoy this activity together. So, in my view, although you may be attracted to a friend who is completely opposite to you, the best kind of friend is one you have you have enough in common with so that your friendship lasts at a long time. Okay, so you're going to read first this one before you answer. Sweet.
Mm,
Okay. It is sometimes.
and sometimes when that opposites attract when it comes to friendship. On the whole, I don't agree with that opinion. I think that people pick friends with the same interests as them. That extends through physical appearance. If you have similar tastes, you are likely to appearance, similar clothes and hairstyle. Personally, I think that you are more likely to be long-term than friends with someone someone who is on the same wavelength as you. I think opposites will attract, but I don't think it class has those different quality that attracted you and God can I want you later. Later, my closest friend Helen. He is quite similar to me. Having said that, we do not have everything in common. In fact, the differences keep your friendship interesting. However, our core intellect and personality do resemble each other and so it is easy to spend a lot of time together. It's in the details that we differ. For example, we both love sport, but we don't sport the same things. And although we are both sociable, Helen is more outgoing than me when it comes to appearances. A similar appearance can lead to attraction. Helen and I both have similar taste in clothes. We enjoy shopping together and shopping clothes. If we have different interests, we wouldn't be able to enjoy these activities together. So it might be under you might be attracted to a friend who is completely opposite to you. The best kind of friend is one that you have enough in common with so that your friendship lasts a long time.
Okay, just a long time. Now, in which paragraph does the writer cover each element of the task? In which paragraph? Sometimes create that opposite attract when it comes to friendship. Write an essay which you give your own opinion, dispute taking into consideration personal in appearance. So now, in which paragraph does writer cover each element of the task? In paragraph one, two, or three, or look for it.
Mm, I think no. Mm,
Mhm. Which paragraph?
mm,
Where? Can you encircle?
um, mm,
Oh, okay. That is, yeah. Very good. So this is my closest friend Helen, quite similar to me. Having said that, so the element are here in this body because the writer, include all the elements what her gonna say in the essay. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Sweet. Now let's proceed here. In this part, Sweet, you're going to look or find two examples of did and do for emphasize or emphasis the essay. Okay, only find two example of do and did. Okay, you can draw a line. Wait to si mama.